So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create whiteboard animation using Canva. Launch your Canva, whether your mobile application or your web application, and locate the videos option. Click on it. This takes you to the timeline or our workspace where we do our creation. Once here, click on the element section. This is where we pick every element we need for our video. Search for water droplets on the search column. Scroll through and make your choice. For me, I will select this. I will click on it. This brings it into the timeline automatically. I will duplicate, resize to my preference. Click on add new page. Next, go back to the element section once again and search for animated sunshine with water evaporation. I'll select this. This brings it into my canvas. I'll resize to fit the entire canvas. Click on add page once again. Head straight to the element section and search for rain cloud. Scroll through and select my preferred one. Select the background. Click on the color panel and select your desired background color. I'll select background color for page 1 as I did not earlier. Now get the element for the 4th page using the same steps we employed in page 1, page 2, and 3. Now we have our designs ready. Next is to save it in PNG format. To do that, click on the share button, scroll down to download, click on the download button and select PNG because we do not want it in MP4 yet. Click on download. Come over to Canva once again. Click on the apps section. Here you will see series of apps to aid your design in Canva. Locate Speed Paint. For easy location on the search column, type Speed Paint. Click to open. Once on Speed Paint, click on Choose File and select the first page of our just downloaded design. Scroll down, select your sketch duration. I'll select 5 seconds. Allow the fill color if you have your background color. Then select the color fill duration or select 5 seconds and click on generate. This processes and generates a whiteboard animation within 2 seconds. Click on the generated animation to be added to our canvas. Come over to our timeline. Click on the 3 dots on the top and select set video as background. Add a new page and click on Speed Painter. Choose your file. Choose the second page of our just downloaded design. Select the same settings, our sketch duration for 5 seconds, then filled with color ticked, our color field duration, we'll select 5 seconds, then tick our sketching hand effect and click on generate. This generates our animation within 2 seconds. We click on the animation to bring it into our canvas. Click on the 3 dots on the top and select set as background again. Now generate the whiteboard animation, page 3 and 4, employing the exact same steps used for page 1 and 2. And we will have this. Now we'll add our voiceover. To do that, under the app section, locate AI Voiceover, or on the search column type AI Voiceover and click on open. Once on AI Voiceover, select your preferred language and your preferred speaker. Leave the settings at default, that is the speed on the page. On the text box, write or paste your script and click generate voiceover. Upon completion, your voiceover will be uploaded to your timeline. Listen to your video, edit and adjust where necessary, such as where the animation may be shorter than the voiceover or the voiceover shorter than the animation. You edit or adjust to ensure that both of them rhymes. Then click on the share button to download as MP4. And here is our just created whiteboard animation.
Have you ever wondered where water comes from and where it goes? The water cycle starts with evaporation. The sun heats up water in the ocean, lakes, and rivers, turning it into water vapor. The water vapor rises into the air and forms clouds. When the clouds get too heavy, they release their water content back to the earth as rain or snow.